Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to navigate the Cleo app interface. Now Cleo is built around a fun chatbot first design, but the app also has structured tabs. So here's a breakdown of things to see. Now you first have the home tab. Now here you can view an overview of your balance as well as recent transactions and monthly salary. Cleo highlights where you're spending the most and alerts you of any unusual activities here. You also have the chat tab. That's the main experience. Now you can interact directly with the Cleo's AI chatbot. You can ask questions like, how much do I spend on food last week? How much did I spend? You can tell it to roast me. You could say, can I afford Starbucks today? Or what bills are coming up? Whatever it is, you can just use that. Now Cleo's responds with insights, graphs, jokes, and budget feedbacks. Now for the budget tab, you can view or set your monthly budget. You can also customize your spending categories and see how much you have left to spend in each area. The save tab, here's where you create savings goals. You also automate contributions or use roundups here. Likewise, here you can participate in Clio's challenges like no spending days. The main tab is where you access your profile, your linked accounts, your app settings, customer support, premium features, and all your account management. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did like the video, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.